So now I'm going to teach you how to create a DTX file. The song I'm going to make is Forever Love by X Japan. I've created a folder here with the MP3 and some drum sounds in XA format, which you could get from GDAmania. Okay, so now I'm going to open GDA Creator. I don't want this file, this one's a GDA. I want a DTX file because it's cooler, right? Okay, so File, New, DTX. Now before I do anything, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to call it ext. Okay, then here you can see the new file. I'm going to open it in Notepad and put in the information Forever Love by X Japan. Can't type, can I? Okay, then I want to input a command which is called wave01 bgm.mp3. This is to help trigger the background music. Okay, so I save it, and then here I'm going to rename this file bgm. Rename bgm. Okay, now then I drag this file into GDA Creator again in the gray space, remember. Okay, and here you can see bgm is going to be the trigger here. Then I'm going to input some drum sounds into the DTX. So I'll do it in order usually, from hi-hat first, okay, or the hi-hat, then the snare. Of course you can have more sounds than what I have right now. I'm just doing some of the basic ones: 3 toms, a crash, and a ride. So you should be able to hear the sound. Yep. Then I'm going to assign each lane a default drum sound, which makes it easier when I input the notes. So all I do is click on this sound, and then I click on the top of the lane. Okay. Alright, so that's done. Now I can hear the song and see and hear what drum notes I need to input. Okay, so this song is in 6/8 time signature, so I probably want a division of 6. Let's do 12, and I'm going to start inputting the drum notes. Now what drum notes you input, like what notes you input, will depend on the song, of course, and it requires you to be able to hear the notes and transcribe it. So because I've done this many times, it's normally a lot slower than this. Okay, so this is it, and because there's an open hi-hat note, I have to go to hi-hat open, and I want to erase this normal hi-hat note by right-clicking, and then I'm going to hold Control and click on it. Hold the Control key and click. Okay, there we have an open hi-hat. Now let's have a listen to this, to what I've written so far. So far so good, yeah? Sounds exactly like the song. Okay, now I'm going to put in some more. So I'll listen to the song again. BGM. Okay, so I've heard some more. Yeah, actually I know exactly how this part goes, but normally this will take much longer. So I'm going to copy and paste. Now here you can see I'm running out of bars. You never want GDA Creator to run out of bars, because it will hang and it will crash, and then you will lose your DTX. So I'm going to add plenty of bars by clicking on the plus arrow, and finally I can paste some more. Okay, cool, done, and then I can save it again. Alright. Oh wait, I don't save it yet. What am I talking about? It's not in sync yet. And I haven't added the background music. So I click on the background music. You'll see an error, but that's okay, because the program is done. Okay, let's go back to here, and let's put in where I think, around where it will start. And let's see if it is in sync. Oh, the song started too slow, and the BPM is wrong, I think, but let's just hear it. here. Nope. Here was right, and the song was too slow. Let's try 1, 2, 5. Let's see if that's better. Okay. Oh no, it's here. Okay, so this part takes a bit of time because you have to adjust where this music starts and also how fast the notes scroll, which is the BPM. Right now it sounds like it's in perfect sync. Almost. Good enough, okay? So that's done. Now my little computer seems to be loading something. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's save it. And next I want to make graphics. So I open Photoshop, and first I'm going to create a preview image. The default size is 204 by 269, and then I'm going to type in the name of the song, Japan Forever Love. Okay, this is the ugliest preview image ever, but that's okay. I'm going to save it as a JPEG and call it pre. Okay, I also want a stage loading image, so the default size is 640 by 480. Okay, and then I can type in now loading. Okay, of course you can make it much fancier, but this is just a demonstration. Let's call it stage. The name isn't that important. Okay, then I go back to here and I open my DTX in Notepad, and I'm going to put in the command pre-image pre.jpg and stage file stage.jpg. Okay, and then I save it again. And the next thing I want to do is I want to create a preview sound so that in the song selection screen they can hear something. Okay, so I copy background music, Control C, and I paste it, and I'm going to rename it as preview. Okay, next I want to edit this file with a sound editing program. I use Adobe Audition, but there are other free programs that will do the job just as well. Okay, so right now it's loading the whole song. What I want to do is I want to trim this song down to about a 30-second clip. Now I'm going to select the chorus, which I think is about here. Yeah, it's about here. Okay, so this part I select about 30-second section, and then I trim it, Control T. Okay, now let's see if this is the chorus. Yep, that's right. So let's delete this front bit, and let's fade in the beginning, and let's fade out this part. Okay, so now you can hear the clip. It sounds like this. Okay, so far so good. Save, and you want to input the command preview.wave. Okay, where you put in these commands don't really matter actually, as long as you type it in correctly. So you save it. Okay, now let's see if it will work in DTXMania. Okay, stupid computer is loading again, but that's okay. Patience is a virtue. Okay, so I can click and drag it onto the DTXMania icon to play it. Oops, what am I doing? Extreme. Yeah. Oh, there's my loading screen. And then I can try and play the song. Now the song might not be in sync on your video, but right now what I'm playing is perfectly in sync. It's only because my computer is so slow. Okay. There we go. Okay. The song works. Good. Now the last thing I need to do is zip it up. Okay, so right click, send to compressed zip folder, and then I'm ready to upload it for people to enjoy. There you go. That's it.